Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry to come a little late. This has been a little bit crazy, but let's start with our workshop Wednesday. So I mentioned that I will be doing these wooden pallets. So I want to show that this is wood piece, so you can chalk on either side and then just coat it once you're done. So I'm gonna use these no bad days. So again, I'm gonna peel these off, and it's nice and easy. We just want to make sure that we fuss these, so you can use it down so that it adds some lint in the back. So these way, when we peel it off, it come off easily. And I'm gonna be a little bit careful with my wood because again, it's one-time use. So I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna be very careful, and you just want to make sure that you fuss it quite well, so this way it would come off, peel it off nice and easy. So I'm going to center these right there, and make sure that it no air bubble. And I am going to use 3 different shades of green. I'm going to start from light and then medium and then kind of lightest on the bottom. So I'm going to use teal right there. So I'm going to dab it on there, and I'm using metal in the middle, and then I will use green forest on the top. Okay, so and then I'm going to start scraping from the bottom like so, and any extra I will take it off right there. And then I'm using metal in the middle, and I'm gonna try to put the extra out first before I'm blending it in right here, just to make sure that I'm covering all of the spot. Okay, and this is it right, and I want to make sure that I wipe extra off before I'm going through the next color. And now I'm blending green forest in. And now I'm gonna scrape it through each part, and I'm wiping it off so this way it wouldn't have color mix. And now I'm going to peel it off gently. So I'm going to peel off in the from the center, and voila, now we have it. No bad days. Alright, let me put these back and kind of show you. And that's is pretty easy of how you can just chalk the board, and then I'm going to wait until it dry and then spray coat it so it doesn't come off. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.